Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and today we are going to take a look back in time on some of the most notable judgments pronounced by Justice V. Ramasubramanian. But before that, let's take a brief look on the life of Justice Ramasubramanian. Born on June 30th, 1958 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Justice Ramasubramanian did his LLB from Madras Law College and enrolled as an advocate in the year 1983. He practiced law for about 23 years before being elevated to the bench in 2006 as an additional judge of the Madras High Court. And in 2009, he became a permanent judge of the said High Court. Justice Ramasubramanian was transferred to the Common High Court for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana in 2016. But after the bifurcation of the two states, he was retained as a judge of the High Court of Telangana in 2019. 2019 was an eventful year for Justice Ramasubramanian, as the same year in June, he was sworn in as the Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court, and later in September, he was elevated to the Supreme Court. During his tenure as a Supreme Court judge, Justice Ramasubramanian was part of about 302 benches and authored about 100 judgments. He retired from the top court on June 29 this year. And today we will discuss some of the notable judgments passed by him. Internet and Mobile Association of India versus Reserve Bank of India. A bench comprising Justices R.F. Nariman, Aniruddha Bose and V. Ramasubramanian set aside a circular issued by the Reserve Bank of India on April 6, 2018, preventing banks as well as other businesses from trading in virtual or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Tether and Ethereum. Although at the time the circular was issued, there was no legislation that prohibited the trading in cryptocurrency. Justice V. Ramasubramanian authored the judgment that held that the RBI circular imposed disproportionate restrictions and were unlawful, rendering the circulars incorrect and unenforceable. KAUSHAL versus State of Uttar Pradesh. The 5-judge Constitution Bench of the Apex Court, comprising Justices S. Abdul Nazir, B. R. Gavai, A. S. Bopanna, V. Ramasubramanian and B. V. Nagaratna, unanimously ruled that the freedom of speech of public officials cannot be restricted in favor of another person's fundamental rights. However, the state was obligated to protect the fundamental rights of the citizens, even against non-state actors, such as a private person. The case revolved around a statement made by Uttar Pradesh Minister and Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan, who termed the allegations of gang rape by a 13-year-old girl and her mother in the state as a political conspiracy. The incident happened in July 2016, and in August the same year, the victims approached the top court against the minister for his insensitive and irresponsible remarks, and fearing an unfair investigation in UP, and sought the transfer of the case to another state, while also alleging the violation of their right to life and liberty. In November 2016, the court ordered Azam Khan to render an unconditional apology. VIVEK SHARMA versus Union of India. In this case, the Supreme Court, with a 4-1 ratio, with Justice Nagaratna giving the dissenting opinion, upheld the 2016 demonetization of Rs 500 and Rs 1000 notes by the Indian government. A 5-judge Constitution Bench comprising Justices S. Abdul Nazir, B. R. Gavai, A. S. Bopanna, V. Ramasubramanian and B. V. Nagaratna dealt with the questions as to whether the scheme abided by the provisions of the RBI Act of 1934, whether the scheme was implemented in an unreasonable manner and violated the rights to equality and livelihood of the citizens, among others. The top court held that the central government has the power to demonetize banknotes and upheld the notification for demonetization. The majority held that the scheme was proportionate to the union's stated objectives and was implemented in a reasonable manner. With that, I, Ananya Singh, thank you for watching Verdictum. For more such informative content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android for latest legal news.